Independent Electoral Commission for Rivers State don suspend PHALGA Federal Constituency 2 and Senate election for Port Harcourt City local government areas sake of say some of the numbers no match. INEC Resident Electoral Commissioner for the state, Johnson Sinekem, na tok dis one for one talk with tori pipo for Port Harcourt. Im come tok say the commission don get informate say some pipo dey threa ten the life of Professor Charles Adias, the returning officer for the presidential election for the state. The INEC Resident Electoral Commissioner for Rivers State come talk to tori pipo for the State Collation Center for Port Harcourt, say make security pipo, especially police, begin to take action to stop anything wey fit stop the collation of results for the state.
The Independent National Electoral Commission Rivers State has been notified of the threat to life of the State Collation Officer for the presidential election in Rivers State, Professor Charles Adias, the Vice Chancellor of the Federal University of Tueke. I urge those concerned to cease forthwith in unleashing threats because his job does not involve accreditation, voting, counting, computation, validation, etc. of votes by the parties at the primary and secondary levels. I wish to draw the attention of the security agencies, especially the Election Commissioner of Police for Rivers State, that is equally a co-chairman of the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security, to this attempt to truncate the collation of presidential elections in Rivers State. In another development, I wish to notify the public that INEC Rivers State has suspended PHALGA in 2 House of Representatives and Port Harcourt local government area Senate elections for alleged irregularities. The Commission will conduct thorough investigation before further actions will be taken.
The INEC Collation Officer for Rivers State, Professor Charles Adias, today don postpone the collation of the presidential election result for Rivers State sake of say dem dey threa ten im life and family members. From Port Harcourt, Taiwo Ayeni, TMC TV News.